Hi friends, good morning to you. Dr. Vijay Sharma reporting on 8th of September 2020 at JJT campus Vidyanagari, Junjunu, Rajasthan, India. Special thanks to my friend Dr. David P. Kaleen, the chairman of the International Board of Medicine and Surgery, the United States, Tampa, Florida, who specially requested to give me the first-hand upfront information about the JJT University. And good morning to Sam Lingam, the Medical Education Director of the World Health Organization, London, United Kingdom. Thank you, Sam. Thank you for requesting me to give the detail, and I'm very much in the campus, and you look forward a beautiful building and then a couple of more buildings around. This beautiful campus is loaded with a most modern developed hospital having 450 bedded capacity expandable, 300 active bed running now. Precisely, we have got the most meticulous operation theatre where the cardiac surgeries have been performed, plastic surgery, cosmetic surgery, ENT surgeries, and very many famous surgeries had been performed here. The team of All India Institute of Medical Science, Delhi, had visited in 2018 to conduct the activities as well as the surgeries. Rajasthan Medical Council also participated in those camps over here. So from the capability and capacity wise, this hospital has got everything, anything which you can think about, right from the most advanced intensive care unit, critical care unit, ER emergency rooms, plus the dialysis units, blood bank, advanced laboratory, anything. It's an oasis in the desert. Surprisingly, in the most rural part of India, as a part of the mission, Chalo Gaon Ki Aur, let's move towards the rural areas to give the technology, the knowledge, the help and the facility which they deserve. And in this mission, variety of the other department, right from the management and right from the different education of commerce, law and all, we precisely emphasize more on the medical. We have a full-fledged anatomy department, we got the physiology department, we got the forensic, jurisprudence, pharmacology. In pharmacology, variety of the research is going on. And the variety of when it comes to the drug formulation, intermixing, drug interaction, drug synonym, drug advancement, this is the place which is the place, the hub for the Indian pharma industry. And Fortune 500 industry, most of them, all of them are getting their most of the research done here. I would also say the ENT, ophthalmo, gynae, plastic, anything is possible. This place is capable to do the tie-up with any world-class university, whether it may be the Yale University, Oxford, Harvard, Stanford or Cambridge. Yes, and fortunately the environment is very positive. Very recent, the education policy embarked by the Indian government opens the door for the foreign university to have the tie-up with the campus which has the facility to exchange the knowledge, to exchange the student and to have their education centers outside the world. That means the true globalization. The true globalization means Totolo mondo un paese. It's an Italian saying which says that entire world is like a village, small village, and we are the citizen of this world. I salute you all for taking interest, competing for this university, and my mission is one human, one world, one health. Thank you so much.
Sri JJT University is one of the premier and multi-faculty institutions of the higher learning, is strongly dedicated to its vision of being known for excellence in academics, research and social outreach. Established in the year 2009 in the Junjunu district of Rajasthan with the mission to promote education among all sections of the society. The university is strongly committed to capacity building and offering outstanding academic, research, sports, co-curricular and placement opportunities. The inception and growth of Sri JJT University are closely noted with the saga of the rebuilding of modern India. For the empowerment of women, efforts are on the way to make higher education of girl students almost free. Towards social responsibility, the university has started various vocational programs on the campus where the local youth will be equipped with skills in different crafts to make them employable. A visionary and versatile mentor and founder, Dr. Vinod Chibdewala, is the chairperson of the university. He arranged all the desired resources to make higher education available to the doorstep deprived people. Now JJTians are serving for society and nation building.
Hello, I'm a JJTN. I've joined here in the course BSc Dietetics, Nutrition and Diabetic Management in the Institute of Forensic Science. I've come from the Kingdom of Bahrain and I would like to share a few views about this university. Firstly, the infrastructure is really amazing. It just amazed me about the ambience over here, the serenity which is so good over here. You have a very good peace and harmony and everything over here. I'm a hosteler as well and the hostel is really amazing. It's nothing less than a 3-star or 5-star hotel. The faculty here is really amazing. They really interact with you in a very good manner, and you have any doubts or anything, they are always there to help you. And we have our directors and HODs of various institutes, and they are really very encouraging, and they keep they have the discipline maintained in this university, which is really amazing. And I'm really lucky to be a JJTN, and I would always suggest anyone to come here and join this JJTN.
With a great motive to serve the suffering humanity, the university is running a satellite unit at district headquarters Junjunu in the name of DJT Hospital, which comes under Institute of Medical and Healthcare. This satellite unit is also well equipped with latest medical instruments and providing all facility on bare minimum cost. In the recent times, the university gave much emphasis on medical and healthcare services, keeping in mind the need of the concerned stakeholders in the rural areas. To cater the poor and lower middle class population residing in the surrounding of the university, qualified and experienced medical practitioners and staffers were recruited. Apart from that, ultra-modern machine and equipments ensure more reliable results. In the main campus of the university, a blood bank is also working with maximum capacity in all the private institutions of the district. In the medical and healthcare unit, the dialysis center is also an additional attraction which is operated with Vivo Healthcares. Sri JJT University has signed MOUs with different prestigious educational and research institutions for working together by sharing projects and knowledge. In the recent event which was conducted in the Nepal, the Kathmandu and Sri JJT University both decided for students' exchange program also. No doubt the university is focused on quality education and excellence, but at the same time it is equally concerned for promotion of moral values and cultural tradition. Hence, a popular talent hunt and open festival Shamika is organized annually. In this festival, singing, dancing, art and craft, debate, and many more others are attractions for students' fraternity of the region.
I would like to request your attention and attention from the audience as well as the attention from the dais, because spiritual talks cannot be floated in a place where there is fickle mind.
Needless to say that Sri JJT University organizes regularly quality conferences. A memorable international conference was conducted by the Institute of Medical and Healthcare, which became a grand success in all respects. The university is running in a growing phase and would be a wonderful center for rest of the world soon. Sri JJT University, a journey towards quality education and excellence.